Hello friends, welcome to Twin Sisters Country Cooking Channel. Today we're making hot cross buns. This is a family favorite recipe and it's about time that we usually make them every year. So let's get started. We're gonna start off with adding all of our dry ingredients together. Is our flour, our salt, allspice, cinnamon, sugar, and yeast. Give this a quick stir. Now we're going to add our wet ingredients. This is lemon peel. No, I didn't add it. I didn't have a fresh lemon, so I just used lemon peel. Okay, here is our vegetable oil, our beaten egg, and our milk. And this milk is lukewarm. For our mixed fruit, I'm just going to dice it up, not really small, but enough to where you don't have big globby pieces of fruit in your bun. And what I do, I buy this. So I have all different kinds of fruit in here, and then all I have to do is just chop them up until I get the amount that I want. Okay, so we got ounces. I want to put this on grams. All right. Okay. 250 grams. We'll add our chopped up fruit. Bowl, and turn it, get it coated, and now we're going to cover it with saran wrap, and I like to put mine in the oven with the light on. There we go. Okay, we'll see you in an hour. Okay, our first 45-minute rise is done. So we need a floured surface. Just gonna knead this for about a minute. Knock out the air. Now I want each one about 101. And I'm using grams. Now we need to make roll these until we make little balls. We'll put them in this greased pan. Well, I miscounted and I only have 11, but that's okay. We'll just now I want to cover it with oiled saran wrap, and I'm just going to put this on real loose. We don't want to restrict the buns from growing. And we're going to let this sit for 45 minutes to an hour. And like I said, I like using my oven with the light on. Okay, the next thing we need to do is to make our cross ingredients. We have our water, flour, and powdered sugar. So we just add it all together. I actually think this is too thick. We'll add a little more water. We'll just do a little at a time because you don't want it too thin. I would say we are almost there. Maybe just a little more, and then we'll call it good. Oh yeah, that's good. And we're going to put it in this piping bag. We can pipe it across the top of our buns. And this is for our glaze. It's 5 teaspoons of sugar and a little bit of water. And And we just want to mix this until it dissolves. Now we're going to put on our crosses. I'm going to go down one way. Okay, now we're ready to go to the oven. 375 for 15 minutes. Okay, now we want to put the glaze on. Some sugar water. Have it. Our wonderful hot cross buns. You've got to try one though, you know. Here's a little piece to try. Oh, that is good. Taste all the fruit, the nutmeg, cinnamon. It's a wonderful bun. I've always liked these buns. Thank you for stopping by. If you could and you like our channel, please hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps out our channel. Okay, well, you folks have a wonderful day. We'll see you the next video. Bye-bye.